How to create your own Go avatar on the Transit app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can create your own Go avatar on the Transit app, and the first step is to go ahead and open up the Transit application. So once you click on the application, your app would be installed, or your app would be launched. It might take a while to load depending on your internet connection, but definitely it will load. And then once it has loaded, you'll be brought to the home page. On this page you can see your map, and then your location will be displayed, and then by the lowest part of the screen you will see the option where to. Okay, that is for you to search an area and all of that. And then once you can see that, next step for you to do is to get Transit tutorial. Okay, so Transit tutorial is an advanced version of Transit app. So as a Transit app user, you'll be using the free version of the Transit application until you get Transit tutorial. And how do you get Transit tutorial? Go to the top left corner of the screen where you can see the gear icon, and then once you've seen it, click on it. Now once you click on this, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On the page, the profiles page. Okay, so on this page you can see some options. You'll see different options. Now the reason why mine is only displaying this is because I'm currently in a region where Transit app is not supported. But for you, you'll see upgrade plan. All right, you'll see royal on this page, like, or the royal bar. Just select it. After selecting it, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to choose your plan. All right, so do you want to upgrade to royal monthly or annually? Select the one you can afford, and then click start 7-day free trial, and then confirm your subscription, and after that you will belong to the Transit tutorial. So once you have gotten the Transit tutorial, you will be asked to customize your app. All right, this is because Transit tutorial makes the application more interesting to use. So once you have you've gotten your Transit tutorial, go back to the gear icon, click on it, and then your interface would have changed. Okay, so on this page you would see custom theme. All right, just click on it, customize the app color and all of that, and then once you're done customizing the themes and all, move further, and then you would also see an option for you to select your avatar, that is to create your own avatar, still on this setting page. All right, it could be under any of these categories, I can't say, but most likely it will be on this same page. And then once you can see there, just select your own avatar, shuffle to pick from suggested names and avatars, or you can just select your own. Then you can enable ghost mode if you want to stay low-key on the application. So it is very simple, but the major thing you must do is to upgrade to Transit tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a good day.